This ingenious eye for precision and innovation started 61 years ago with Brij Mohan Lal Munjal, the founder of Hero.
My father and his family moved from West Punjab then after the partition of India into Pakistan and India. Of course, they came empty-handed and they started these new businesses.
In 1954, Brij Mohan Lal Munjal started a small bicycle manufacturing factory with a vision.
My father always was very entrepreneurial. He went to Germany many years ago. He picked up this brand new chain manufacturing plant and painting plants and other such equipment which never existed.
By merging foreign technology and Indian manufacturing philosophy, in 1986, Hero became the largest producer of bicycles in the world. The same zeal of productivity can be seen with Hero motorcycles. The factory employs a strict Japanese code of efficiency known as the Kaizen.
This is a Kaizen box. We ask our people that they participate in those small improvements.
Kaizen is nothing but giving ideas, suggestion schemes, where people who are on the shop floor or on the job, they give ideas. The objective is simple. Someone sitting in an office may not know the real issues. The real issues are known to the person who is actually operating that machine.
Kaizen empowers the factory workers to give feedbacks that help the factory make small improvements towards efficiency. This Japanese approach was borrowed from Honda's work culture, with whom Hero had a 25-year partnership for technology and design.
As we started in 1984-85, the blueprint first came from Honda Japan, and we brought in some equipment, and the processes mostly came from Honda Japan. We would bring the basic machine from Japan or elsewhere, but we would then marry it with local toolings, with local automation, which overall brought down the price.
But that relationship between a technological giant and the humble Indian partner was coming to an end.
Hero and Honda, the questions have been asked for years. Will this honeymoon last forever? And the assumption always, for some reason, had always been that Honda, being the mighty global giant that it is, one day will swallow Hero.